I have a study folder that's quite messy, and there are a lot of files in it. I want to clean it up, but I don't want to create any additional subfolders within it, so I painted my folders with different colors. Now I can quickly differentiate my folder types. These are my assignments folders. These are for reading materials, my notes, and my projects. It looks very clean too. Let's go! Search Folder Painter. Open this first website. Scroll down and click on this download button. Now go to Download Folder. Now extract it. Open Folder. Open Folder Painter. Collapse all items. Keep only first option checked. Now click Install. Now just select the folders you want to paint. Right-click. Change folder icon. Select any color you like. That's it. Follow for more.
Terrifyingly powerful websites, part 1. Open up an incognito tab and you want to go to thatsthem.com. This is a website that allows you to search for people using literally anything that you know about. If all you have is their name, you can put that in. You can also put their zip code in. If you have their email address, you can use their email address. If you just have their IP address, you can use their IP address. Basically what it's doing under the hood is searching a bunch of places on the internet where it knows that people are likely to disclose their address or their IP address or their whatever without knowing it. It searches a bunch of those, compiles them, and gives you the results. This is super problematic because literally if you email me or give me your phone number, I can suddenly know your IP address, your home address, your mom's home address. A lot of people don't know that they're putting this much information about themselves out there on the internet for anyone for free. So be careful. Use this as a tool to keep yourselves and others safe.